Hello, welcome back to our new video. This is Faisal from Tecsee GmbH, your internet agency based in Germany. And today this is a continuation of the introductory section and video we have already done on the ERP system JTL Wawi 1.6. As you already know, this is in English. Now the ERP system supports the English language as mentioned before, and today we are going to continue the basics and the tabs introduction of the UTL system itself. So basically, Tecsee GmbH has assigned to do these tutorials, and today we're gonna do the second part of the introductory videos. So we stopped last time on the paying section, so the accounting section. Today we're gonna continue from the Versand section, or as we like to call it, the sending section. This is how you send your orders. This is how you send everything that is related to your orders. Here is everything when it's created, all your data, when was it created, what is the number of the order, the customer number, and for instance, the external order number, how was it sent, the supply, so the supply company, so maybe DHL or DPD, Hermes, whatever it was, the address, and everything that has to do with the sending of any products or packages. Basically, this is the order section. This is the delivery note section, and this is where you can track and trace your order, which is great because you could know where exactly it's being shipped to, or where is it on the road, which is really good. The fulfillment Auftrage, this is another section of the ERP system itself. This will be talked upon later on, and yeah, let's continue for the second tab. So this is the retour section. Here you can see if an order is coming back to you. For instance, the customer has a failure in the product or something. This is where you can see your retours. And yeah, here is the Amazon and eBay section. The ERP system supports fully the e-commerce field, and here at Tecsee GmbH we can talk about the Amazon and eBay, and we have a lot of Schulung. We can show you how this works, moreover, and more done for you and for your company. Basically here, everything that has to do with your orders on Amazon and eBay, your offers, for instance, here the sellings, the offers, on eBay the same thing as well. What did you buy, what did you sell, and so on and so forth. On this section over here, so if we go down, you can see here your online shop. JTL Wawi, the ERP system itself, can be used to facilitate a online shop, and we can help you do that as well at Tecsee GmbH, which is great. This is your online shop. It's another section of the JTL Wawi. This will be showed upon, of course. It's the JTL Wawi itself is a really big system. It can uphold a lot of different criterias and sections. So with future videos, we're gonna show you that, of course. Here, this is the statistics section. You can see all the statistics of what you have in the company. So the selling, for instance, the position of your orders, your accountant positions, your accountings, your delivery notes. Here, for instance, the invoices, everything that has to do with statistics, it's right here. So you can basically see everything, how many orders have been made, how many orders are going to be made, how many orders are closed or open, so forth and so on. This is the service desk. The service desk needs a license. Basically, there's not much to say, but this is for tickets for the customer relationship management section. We're gonna come back to this tab, which is the production and plan. Here is the dashboard where you can use anything. It's like a gadget section where you can use and see things on a graph basis. We're gonna come now to the production plan. So this is a new tab in the JTL Wawi 1.6. This is all for the production companies, where you have to plan things, you need bill of materials, you have to have resources. What do you produce in your company? What do you manufacture? This will all come into contact when the actual test version is done and they actually release the JTL Wawi itself fully. We will talk about this later. This is a great tab and great addition to the ERP system itself, as now it supports the production companies and the manufacturing companies. And for now, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, check out our description and the links down below for our website. Contact us if you need any information. Teksee's website is down below. The contact email is down below. And check out our social media. Comment down below if you need anything, and if you have any questions for us, and what would you like to see next. Thank you so much, and catch you later. Don't forget to like and subscribe.